Hello everyone, Big Money here with the monthly update on Forex Trading Bot Challenge in the Big Money Reloaded series. As you may already know, on the first day of 2025, I invested $5,000 in a Forex trading account and I unleashed some algorithmic trading bots to earn passive income. In this video, I will summarize what happened in March, how the bots performed, what my balance looks like, and how far along am I with my plans. I started the third month of the year with an even balance of $6,500 after some additional deposits to my account, and I am happy to report that my balance has just surpassed $7,000. Now, I'm recording this video on March 29 during the weekend, and there will be another trading day on the 31st, so this is not the final result. Nonetheless, it will give you a fair idea of what happened. As of today, my balance stands at $7,031. Expecting an average day on Monday, it will probably close the month around $7,050. This is again a totally insane result, way overachieving my initial targets. The net gain this month is going to be roughly around 8%. My FX book has not yet updated the figures, but I believe that in a few days this number will be higher. The drawdown was basically nothing. I didn't have any risky baskets this month. It was a dream period, really. March being the last month of the quarter, I can say that the quarterly result is actually close to 30% in net gains, which is yet again absolutely crazy, especially considering that there was essentially no drawdown whatsoever, despite all the market rattling news about tariffs and inflation and whatnot. I mean, the markets were going nuts, but the bots handled it like a champ, doing nothing but crunching profits along the way. The individual bot performance is in line with expectations. The absolute champion is still the sharpshooter, followed by the vigorous and then the ranger. By the advice of Ryan, I have removed the gopher, even though it was a slow and quite insignificant bot that was running along the others. The risks that it potentially imposed were simply better to get eliminated just for the sake of security. About the additional deposit. Originally, I had an idea to add somewhere around $100 every month. However, considering the results that I have with the bots, I really want to decrease risk as soon as possible, which will only happen after I reach the goal of having a $10,000 balance. This means that I'm ready to deploy some more capital to reach 10K as soon as possible and to isolate the account into separate bot configurations as I have planned in the beginning of this challenge. Speaking of original plans and goals, after I will have deposited an additional $450, the balance will stand at $7,500. This is the balance that I anticipated to reach around July this year, and that puts me 4 months ahead of schedule. That means that with a bit of luck and no stop losses being hit, I might be able to reach my 10K target somewhere around August. I mean, I'm already halfway there, I'm through the hump, so it should be only getting easier from here. Seeing the markets react so nervously about anything and everything relating to interest rates, inflation data, consumption data, tariff news, whatever, I really hope that I will make it to the safe zone before the account gets into trouble. Alright guys, this was the monthly summary for March. My Forex account is public. You can follow the progress on a daily basis on my FX book. All the links are in the description field. Feel free to join me in this journey if you are into low-risk, steady income setups. Make sure you check out the webshop of responsibleforextrading.com. The 25% discount is still available for purchasing the most comprehensive set of trading bots ever. Just make sure you use the link below. If you're new to algorithmic trading, check out my previous videos on the channel. There is a full tutorial that will show you how to get going. Also, I would encourage everyone to join the Discord server. The community is amazing. You can find me there every now and then. Even if you're a complete novice in this game, I am sure there will be helpful community members who will guide you in case you have some doubts. See you in a month's time. Until then, take care. Big Money out.